Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add text to a shape in Excel. Go to Insert menu, Illustrations, Shapes. Select your favorite shape. I select this shape. Shape fill. Write your text. Thanks for watching video.